This is a simple grilled chicken recipe for a barbecue on the boat or the backyard. Let's cook. I've cut up a large chicken breast into smaller chunks that I had previously frozen. Another few cuts to make them all about the same thickness. Into a baggie to marinate. Garlic powder, Greek spice for a nice combination of flavors, lemon juice, and some oil to keep it from sticking to the grill. Mix it well to spread the marinade. I'm going to add French fried potatoes to the marinade for flavor. These frozen waffle cut fries will cook quickly. And let's let that sit for a few minutes.
Please like, comment, and subscribe.
I'll cook the fries in an aluminum pan so they don't fall through the grill. Let's put on the chicken pieces as well. It's starting to smell good. I put a few fries directly on the grill to get them charred a bit for flavor. Let's cut into the thickest pieces to see if they're done. Looks like it. Serve. A bit of lemon juice, and a bit of tzatziki sauce, and enjoy.